Hello everyone and welcome to this ElevenLabs music review. Is it a better Suno AI alternative? ElevenLabs, which is a leader in the AI voice synthesis, has expanded its platform with ElevenLabs Music, a powerful AI music generator. This tool allows artists and businesses to create studio-grade music from simple text prompts, and as such, leveraging the company's expertise in audio technology. ElevenLabs Music aims to provide high-quality, professional-sounding compositions with a focus on granular control and a clear path for commercial use. This review will delve into the key features, pros and cons, and pricing to help you understand its full potential. We have the link to ElevenLabs Music in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. When it comes to the key features, ElevenLabs is built on a foundation of high-quality audio and robust control, setting it apart in the rapidly evolving AI music space. It has exceptional audio quality. ElevenLabs is highly praised for its studio-grade sound output, delivering compositions at a high frequency at 44.1 kHz. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize professional, clean audio for their projects. You also have granular creative control. Now, unlike some other platforms that offer a more hands-off approach, ElevenLabs provides a high degree of control over the creative process. Users can edit selections, customize lyrics, generate by instrument, and it has a modular design. ElevenLabs Music also has multi-language support with languages ranging from Spanish, German, and Japanese, and more. When it comes to commercial licensing, this is a key differentiator for ElevenLabs Music as it has a proactive approach to intellectual property. The company has formed licensing agreements with major music publishers like Merlin and Cobalt. This provides a clearer and more secure path for commercial use, allowing creators to confidently use the generated music in their projects. This is a major point of consideration for any creator who plans to monetize their work. And now to the pricing. You have the free plan, of course, and this provides 11 minutes of audio generation per month. Then the starter at $5 per month, and this plan offers a commercial license and more generation time. Then the creator, which is at $22, but currently at $11, providing 62 minutes of generation time per month. Then you have the Pro plan at $99 per month with 304 minutes of generation per month. Of course, for a larger high-volume users and businesses, you have the Enterprise plan. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, ElevenLabs Music on the strong side has superior control over song structure and fine-tuning. It's also part of a comprehensive suite with voice cloning. It provides excellent high-fidelity audio. The free plan is good for testing without long-term commitment, and there is a strong legal backing for licensed deals. On the downside, the minute-based pricing can be less intuitive. Also, there is no dedicated mobile app for on-the-go creation. It does have a slower processing time than some competitors, and the AI may produce rigid or generic lyrics at times. ElevenLabs Music excels in providing high-quality audio and a clear path for commercial use through licensing agreements. While Suno AI offers advanced editing tools, ElevenLabs' focus on professional-grade sound and legal clarity makes it a superior choice for creators who prioritize quality and commercial viability. So there you have it. Don't forget to check out the link to ElevenLabs Music in the description below, and do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.